Missouri losing more money than any other state in the country because of Amazon. 41 Action News reporter Brian Abel joins us live now from the River Market District. And Brian, you talked to local business owners today, and they're trying to compete against this online retail giant. How so, Brian?
Well, Mike, that study says that $800 million worth of goods was sold on Amazon.com in 2014. That's the last year that data is available for. And then the study breaks down how many storefronts it would take to sell all of that number, that millions. And it would be 540 storefronts just like this one. The only difference is that all of these goods in here sold with a local and state sales tax attached to it. Not the case with Amazon.com sales. Therefore, Missouri is out $60 million in revenue because of it. Houndstooth in the River Market doesn't have an online presence.
I think the internet definitely hurts small brick and mortar clothing stores.
Owner Jeffrey Kovitz says his strategy, offer what the internet can't.
You can feel and touch the fabric, you feel and touch how the garment feels on you.
In 2014, Missouri lost more than $60 million in sales tax revenue because of Amazon.com. Brick and mortar stores have to deal with another rising shopping trend as well. It's called showcasing. Basically, somebody walks in with a product they have in mind that they want to try on to see what size fits them best, but then instead of buying that item right in the store, they walk out the door instead. And to their computer where they hop on Amazon.com, now knowing their proper size and see if they can find a cheaper price. And those boots that we were trying on, 47% off, $200 instead of $375.
You can't stop people, though, from buying on the internet, so our goal is to provide the quality and kind of product that will make it so that people will want to come into our store.
Eclectic Gallery in Brookside has survived for 25 years through the rise of online shopping. One KC artist knows what it means to do business in the store and online. She also sells on Amazon competitor Etsy using a Kansas shipping location.
So if it's a Kansas customer, they pay Kansas sales tax. If it leaves the state of Kansas, then they do not.
The Amazon study says if that customer is from Missouri, it doesn't go into Missouri coffers, which means it doesn't go back to Missourians through city and state services.
Revenue going away that doesn't help Missouri is it's just lost money.
Brian Abel, 41 Action News.